HVAC people!
Alright, HVAC people. So I don't have all the high-tech digital dash temperature in my dashboard to get it outside air temperature, but as you can see, it's about 52 degrees outside, and probably about 10 to 15 degrees lower than our normal temperature around this year. So we're getting a lot of no heat calls, so I'm heading on a no heat call right now. We'll see if we can get some footage when we get there. Alright, HVAC people, so today's video is sponsored by Thrive. Thrive is a digital marketing company. It has over 10 years of HVAC experience, and that is a good thing when you're dealing with digital marketing companies as far as like SEO ranking, trying to get you ranked on the first page of Google. It's good to know that you're dealing with a company that has experience in HVAC. They also do website building, and that's another good thing, that they are familiar with HVAC companies. They're not just a regular website builder that they're not familiar with the industry. It's good to get with a company that already have experience in the HVAC field. So if anybody out there interested in a good digital marketing company, try Thrive today. The link will be in the description below. And they also are the preferred vendors for Carrier, ICP, Samsung. So if you in the appliance repair industry also, if you're looking for a good digital marketing company to get you ranked on Google or build your website, anything got to do with digital marketing company, Thrive is the way to go. But also, they're not brand specific, so they do deal with other brands also. Also, there are no contracts. If you're interested in taking your company to the next level, look very professional, click on the link in the description below, and a representative will get back with you as soon as possible.
Heating upstairs, but it's not heating on the downstairs unit, okay. So I'm not sure.
Yeah, you got two separate units.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show me the thermostat first?
This one.
The thermostat.
I turned it off, so because it was just running and running and running.
Okay. So it's 64 degrees up in here right now.
Right.
Okay. We got it on heat mode. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Put this fan in auto. I'm gonna try to bump it up to about 70. Okay, I hear it turn on. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can you show me where the unit is?
Sure.
All right. Beep beep.
I haven't looked at it, so I'm hoping it's not something that's super easy. Or I mean, I guess I'm hoping it's super easy.
Yeah. Maybe a quick fit. Let's check it out and see.
So there's one right here behind. I'm assuming that's the one that goes to the downstairs. Okay. The other one is up there, but that one.
Okay. Yeah, I remember now. That's the upstairs. Downstairs.
Here or something like that. So it's a little too much, but.
Yeah. I think last time with the cooling though. Yeah. Man, it's an older unit too. Yeah. Let me see.
You're good. You don't need.
Yeah. I can check it out. See what I find. I'll let you know. Okay. All right. On this one right here, them old furnace, it probably just gonna need the pilot lit or a new thermocouple. That is my platform right here, so I don't have much to work with, folks. Set you right there. I don't see a pilot. $19.83 unit. $19.83. them. I mean, alright. So I'm running to get my vacuum and try to clean this up a little bit. Go get a battery for the light, but in the vacuum, you see how dirty and crusty it is. That's the thermocouple up there. Let me clean this out a little bit first, folks. See what we got. It's lit. I'm gonna try to see if I can keep it lit. I'm gonna see if I can get a new thermocouple on there anyway, but so it stayed lit without me when I released this. See a thermocouple crispy. Now I'm turning it to on. Alright, so now I got it in the on position. Like I say, but I already made in my mind when I come to these units right here, I was gonna go ahead and start condemning them. So I really don't even want to put no thermocouple in. I do have several on my truck, but I might not give them that option. I'm just gonna go ahead and quote them for a new unit. You can see this amount of here, kind of older furnace also. But it's time to upgrade that furnace over there. So if it does start when I go call for heat, Good luck for them, but I'm still gonna write them a quote. I'm just gonna charge them today for lighting the pallet and quoting a new unit. If it goes out again, they call me back out. I quote them on a new unit. Like it's lighted, but when this heat up, that fan should kick on. Take a look at my flames. Do a CO check as well. Alright, so the fan is on. Like I say, I'm not going to even do a full maintenance. I did vacuum it out as much as I could, as far as I can reach without putting the whole thing out. Because I don't want to put too much money into it. So like I said, I'm not going to replace the thermocouple, which I do recommend. residual CO2 downstairs also. Does look like exhausting out pretty good. Oh, it's so hot. It is in the attic, so that's good. All right, folks, I'm gonna speak with the homeowner. Like I said, I'm just gonna charge him for a service fee and lighten the pilot, and then I'm gonna send him additional quote. I'm gonna go ahead and try to upgrade this, but they don't want to spend no money. I did some work for them during the cooling season, and they just want the minimal fix. So, but we're give them the option at least, so at least they'll have it on file. All right. As always, thanks for watching.